Hey guys, it's Marichu and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be unboxing the new release of BTS and VT Cosmetics collaboration, which is their perfume range known as L'Atelier des Subtils. This collection is a limited edition created in collaboration with the famous cosmetic and fragrance designer Frederic Morrison. I don't know if I pronounced that right, I'm sorry. So I got myself Jungkook's version of the perfume, which is known as Eau d'Ocean. I don't know how to pronounce it. The collection comes in 7 fragrances and each fragrance is unique to the 7 members, showing their individual characters and sensibilities as described by the fragrance designer Frederic Morrison. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. I'm just gonna briefly explain Jungkook's perfume. Eau d'Ocean is a perfume that intends to express the sea of a sunny summer day. It leaves a trail of a cheerful freshness added to the enchanting summer scent. So this perfume's fragrance notes includes the top note, which is bergamot, the middle notes, which are lily, algae and rose, and the bottom notes are moss and cedarwood. I managed to get my hands on this one from eBay, from a Korean seller, and guys, I got the random limited edition acrylic stand. I'm just gonna open this one first. I was really surprised that I got this acrylic stand. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm not gonna open this, but yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing the perfume, I will be putting the link of where I purchased this on my description box down below, so you guys can check that one. So now onto the main point of this video. I really wanted to try all 7 members perfume, but guys, it's super expensive. I spent like £60 on this one. I wish they will come up with those sample size all 7 members in a set. That will make our life so much easier. So 2 days ago I went to Victoria's Secret shop and I took one of their fragrance test strip for the sake of this video. Don't worry guys, my mom bought a perfume from them. They were doing sales, so the packaging is magnetic. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, this is what it looks like. So it comes with perfume and the photo cards. Okay, so this is the perfume. This is the perfume and the photo cards. Shall we open the photo cards first? I think this comes with 15 photo cards. Okay. Oh my god. This is so nice. I can't believe they put like 3 photo cards in it. It's so nice. You guys, I'm like gonna show you quickly what the photo cards looks like. Oh my god. Wow. So now onto the perfume. The packaging is so pretty. I like it. And this is what the back looks like. So this is only 50 ml, 81% volume. That's what it says. And it's 1.69 fluid ounce. Oh my god. Let's just get on with this. Let's open this one. Yeah. Okay, so this is what the perfume looks like. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to just smell this one. So apparently they said Jungkook's perfume is on the mild, subtle side, which we're gonna find out. Okay. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, I'm just gonna take this fragrance strip and oh my god, you guys, it smells so good. Oh, I really like it. So my favorite fragrance or scent is vanilla, and I'm not really into like strong citrusy scent, but this one is actually mild and subtle. It smells so good. You can really smell the freshness of this perfume. It definitely has that summer scent. I can't stop smelling it. It smells so good. I'm just gonna put some of this perfume. I want to finish this. It's only like 50 ml. So with this scent or fragrance, anyone can definitely wear this. I think it's unisex, which is good. It smells sweet but not too much, which I actually prefer. I wish I could just spray you guys with this perfume and let you guys smell it. So yeah, that is it. I'm just gonna finish the video out. That is it for my unboxing of the L'Atelier de Subtils JUNGKOOK's version, which is Eau de Chien or Eau de Chien. So yeah, if you guys are interested in buying the perfume or the collection, I will be putting the link on my description box down below so you guys can check that one out. And yes, I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you guys think of the new collection, this new release of BTS perfume range. I will see you guys next time. Bye!